presenting the Buick 2018 Cascada Premium. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, driver confidence package, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bluetooth for phone and music, CD player, DVD audio and premium audio system, IntelliLink. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.